Cut the plastic zip tie and open the wooden crate. Lift the top cover of the crate to reveal the machine. Take out everything. Check the accessories. The requirements vary from country to country. Accessories such as ink may be delivered by 2 separate packages. Please wait patiently. Subsequently, inspect the appearance of the machine. In case of transportation problems such as damage, contact the after-sales personnel in time. Remove the fixing strip. Be careful not to hurt the transparent ink tube beside it. Connect the printer's power cable. After startup, the device will self-check and the green light will flash. The device stops operating and the green light remains on constantly, indicating that the self-check is successful. Normal. If a yellow light appears, it indicates an abnormality. Please contact the after-sales personnel for assistance. Test the functions of the equipment. The platform is descending normally. The platform is rising normally. The platform exits. Platform access. Note: if there are any abnormalities, please contact after-sales service for assistance. Click here to switch the interface. Click the task deletion key. The platform pops up normally. Function normal. Click the online button. Automatic ascent, automatic height measurement, and automatic entry. Everything is normal. You will find a factory test page for the printhead. It represents the factory status of the printhead.